Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Use Basics. Let's begin with today's tutorial. If Google Chrome becomes unresponsive, you can force quitting it by using different methods. Firstly, you can do it by open your task manager and press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES or Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete and choose Task Manager. Find Google Chrome. In the Process tab, look for the Google Chrome or Chrome.exe in the list. Select the Google Chrome and click End Task at the bottom right corner to record your Google Chrome screen. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such content.